So I started the day in Independence, Missouri, the home of Harry Truman, and I visited his house. Got a very unique tour since I was the only one there for the 9:30 tour. I got a tour by myself. It was very interesting to find out that there were no presidential pensions at his time, and so he retired without very much money. And there was no Secret Service protection to follow him into retirement. I then went on to the Mormon church. People may not be aware that Joseph Smith and much of the Mormon church started in Independence, Missouri. And that was very interesting. It was interesting to see how much the Mormon church has learned from the old Catholics in the power of buildings and how they can inspire and intimidate and attract all at once. And then as I was getting ready to leave there, I saw on the map Unity Village. And so I went to the home of Unity and spent some time there. And those are the videos that we'll be following here. And this is Harry Truman's house. I'm about to go take the tour of it. This is where he lived most of his life. Standing outside the main temple of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints here in Independence, Missouri. And this, of course, is inside the church. What a beautiful organ, and I was fortunate to hear the organist hit a couple notes on it. Big, powerful organ, very interesting to hear. And I'll let you look up into the center of the narwhal. I'm at Unity Center, right outside Kansas City, Missouri. And the people that you meet at Unity are always the most interesting parts of Unity anyway. Here's a wonderful gentleman that I met down at Unity Village. His name is
Mark Allen Gossman.
And I'm going to get his web address so I can put that down in the comments down below, and then you guys can look him up. And here's the fountain from the other end. And the rose garden. And a last look at the iconic Unity Tower.